Hello folks, and welcome back for another video of the Outdoor Adventures of Austin Miller. I'm having a pretty rough day. Guardians just completely gave up. 2 miscues that cost them the game, which is completely unacceptable. And they lost a series to a losing, sucking Chicago team. It's alright, the White Sox are really going to pay for it next season. Cleveland will own them, but Guardians, they're going to make the playoffs and win the division this season. They cannot give up like this. They're going to have to win 3 out of 4 games against Toronto, and they're going to have to work even harder to win as many series as they can this season. But they've got to win their divisional games too, because now they're possibly going to be almost 5 games out of first now. Like I said, they just cannot give up like that. Still have not seen them win a World Series yet. Every year's complete and utter failure. Every year's incomplete and utter failure. Every single year. And on top of that, Newark Ohio had 3 chances to get heavy rain and strong storms today. And it got blocked towards Zanesville, Ohio. And Zanesville, Ohio and Eastern Ohio got it again. And then they're going to get it again tomorrow. And then the Northeast and East Coast is going to get it again for now the 5th time in a row. That would be 5 times in a row they've gotten it. It hasn't rained here since last Saturday. I haven't gotten an inch or more of rain. I haven't gotten over an inch of rain here since July 21st. Newark, Ohio hasn't had a severe thunderstorm warning since May or June. And the last 10 or 12 times, severe weather has come in during the night when I want it coming in during the day. Because at night, there is no way that Newark, Ohio is going to get heavy rain at night. There's no way. It needs to come in during the day, so that way there's a much better energy source and a better energy and lift for the storms to work with. The sun helps make the storm stronger, and the storms tend to get a lot of their energy from the sun. And the storms come in at night, they're very, very weak, and Newark, Ohio isn't going to get any heavy rain. I've been getting nothing but dry weather this week. I've been getting nothing but droughty precip and late rain and sprinkles over the last 3 to 4 weeks. Pretty much all year since April, the East Coast and Northeast and Eastern and Southern Ohio has gotten the stronger storms, while Newark, Ohio has missed out more than 80% of the strong storms and heavy rains this year. And really, I don't agree with the NOAA or Climate Prediction Center's drought outlook for Ohio. Because if Newark continues to miss out on the stronger storms and heavy rains, Newark, Ohio is going to end up back into a drought again. But anyway, like I said, if I don't get my heavy rain and an inch of rain tomorrow, and especially Thursday and Friday, I'm done. I'm completely giving up for good. And TRG Tornado, thanks for showing Newark, Ohio's forecast today. Well, seeing what the forecast is going to be for Newark, Ohio, I appreciate it. But Newark, Ohio isn't getting any heavy rain this week. Probably won't get heavy rain for a week. Probably be 4 weeks and maybe a month or more. But at least the good thing is we're not getting this heat wave like they're dealing down in Texas. That ridge has been parked down there probably for over a month. And it's not showing any signs of leaving. But Mother Nature has really made me suffer this year. So far this year, Newark, Ohio is 0 for 8 this year, getting the strong storms and heavy rains when temperatures are in the 90s. It hasn't happened once. There wasn't even one day this year. There was not one day this year that Newark, Ohio at my house had strong storms and heavy rains with temperatures in the 90s. And I let God know how upset it made me get. What Mother Nature had to put me through, had to make me swelter in the heat. I'm this close to completely giving up. And there's a chance my cat Dinah may die. But she's doing her best, holding on as long as she can. And I'm trying to hold the tears back in my eyes as long as I can. I just really don't know how much longer I can deal with this dry weather around here in Newark, Ohio. Water levels are low, the Licking River is low, the North Fork Licking River is low, the South Fork Licking River is low. Raccoon Creek is the same way, it's low. And then some creeks have already dried up in Newark, Ohio. There's a small creek that runs right under Cedar Run Road. It's been dry for weeks. But maybe I should give up or not give up. I don't know. It's just getting to the point to where I'm just gonna quit. So I need God. I really need God to bring me a breakthrough in my life. Because I would literally give anything for Newark, Ohio to get the strong storms and heavy rains more often. And get an inch or more of rain. Every time Newark has something coming. Zanesville, East Ohio always gets it. The Northeast gets it. Newark misses out. And then Newark Ohio is derecho threat, tornado threat, flooding threat, hailstorm threat, flash flooding threat. And all that, even tornado threats, and all that's just gonna keep increasing. It's getting to the point where I just want to give up and stop. I just really hope you guys can pray for me and stuff. And Mitch West Weather, all YouTubers out there, and any Christian people, and anyone can pray for me. I really appreciate it. I'm just completely lost right now. I mean, back in 2015, Newark, Ohio was getting strong storms and heavy rains left and right, nonstop. But 8 years have passed. 8 years have passed, and Newark, Ohio has continuously missed out on the strong storms and heavy rains. And that is not a good thing. That's actually a bad thing. I'm just not being mean or anything. I'm just really worried. I'm really scared at the same time. But I may take a few days off, maybe a couple days off from videos and stuff, making videos. Hopefully I get my heavy rain by then, but see what happens and see how I feel, guys. I'm just having a rough week. So I just may upload a video later down the road of how many things I want God to help me out with. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. If all you guys out there can pray for me, I would really appreciate it. I could really use everyone's thoughts and prayers right now. And YouTuber Mitch West Weather, and well, Mitch, if you're listening, I hope you can pray for me too, because I'm struggling. I'm lost. I need God to bring me a breakthrough. If there's any way you can pray for me and for Newark, Ohio, I can get, God could bring me an inch or more of rain, over an inch of rain, and maybe some flooding rains or something. Something to raise the river levels in the Licking River, the North Fork Licking River, South Fork Licking River, and Raccoon Creek up a few feet or more. Even continue to get heavy rain and strong storms more often here in Newark, Ohio. If you can also pray for my cat Dinah, I would really appreciate it. But like I said, if she dies, it's really going to break my heart. I lost my friend Kim to a battle with cancer a couple of days after my birthday last year. And I had a good enough signal up there, and my sister couldn't even offer to text me that she passed away. My friend Kim passed away. but that's how some siblings can be. Some may love you, and then the ones that you love, they turn your back on you. And I know it happens, but anyway, you got to do what you got to do to get past it, right? And then forgive those people. Forgive your brother or your sister or your mom and dad or something. But yeah. But aside from all that, like I said, if I don't get my heavy rain tomorrow, and especially Thursday and Friday, and don't get an inch or more of rain and over an inch of rain here in Newark, Ohio, and Newark doesn't get any heavy rains, like I said, I'm giving up. I'm done. But anyway, guys, if you could pray for me, I would really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more.